An alternator on a Dodge Journey. I don't absolutely have to have light, but I'm kind of spoiled and I like lights when I'm doing stuff. The alternator's almost out. There's my light stick. It's not turned on. It's carried by a 36-inch long metal, flexible, bendable gooseneck, and a suction cup and battery module that's attached to the windshield right there. Uses a Milwaukee 12-volt battery, and I'm going to turn it on right there. There's my light, and when you got the light hanging down next to the alternator, you know, you can work with two hands. I'm holding the camera, but I can work with two hands, and if I got to move the light around on the fly, you just do it. I can change sides, move it over to here. It stays where I put it. Goose-Grip, Mechanics Worklight, and that is if you forget to shut the light off. As long as I'm in the frame, the light stays on. You go to lunch and you forget to turn it off, after about a minute and 15 seconds, the light shuts off. Saves the battery. Goose-Grip, Mechanics Worklight. Look for it on goosegrip.com. We're going to be demonstrating this light on Motorhead Garage, which will air in about a month. Look for it.